Welcome to this 10 minutes chakra cleansing meditation. I'm Devi Sundar, a mind body consultant specialized in breathwork, mindfulness, meditation, and yoga. It is my pleasure to guide you through this energy alignment and inner balance. Our body is an integrated network of energy, and the 7 chakras serve as powerful energy centers that influence our physical, emotional, and mental well-being. When these chakras are open and balanced, we feel grounded, confident, creative, and connected. However, when they are blocked, we may experience stress, fatigue, emotional imbalance, or even physical discomfort. This meditation will help you cleanse and activate each chakra using fresh oxygen, visualization, and affirmations, allowing your energy to flow freely. Find a quiet space, sit comfortably, and allow yourself to relax as we begin. Before we begin the cleansing practice, let's explore how each chakra affects your daily life and its physical location in the body. Let's begin with our root chakra, also known as Muladhara. It's located at the base of your spine, the area between your genitals and anus, close to the tailbone. It is linked to stability, security, and survival. It governs your leg, feet, bones, and immune system. When your Muladhara is balanced, you feel grounded and secure. If your Muladhara is blocked, you may feel anxious, fearful, or financially unstable. Now let's move on to your next chakra, that's your sacral chakra. It is located below the navel, that is a part of your low abdomen in the pelvic region. It governs creativity, pleasure, and emotions. Your Swadhisthana chakra is connected to reproductive organs, kidneys, and bladder. If your Swadhisthana chakra is balanced, it brings joy, passion, and motivation. If your Swadhisthana chakra is blocked, you may experience lack of inspiration, emotional instability, or low libido. Now let's move on to your next chakra, solar plexus chakra, also known as Manipura. It is located above the navel, that is your stomach region, your digestive region of your body. Your Manipura is associated with self-confidence, willpower, and personal power. Your Manipura governs your digestive organs, liver, pancreas, and metabolism. When your Manipura chakra is balanced, you feel capable and in control of your life. When your Manipura chakra is blocked, you may feel self-doubt, fatigue, or digestive issues. Now let's move on to your heart chakra, also known as Anahata. Anahata is located in the center of your chest, the region where your heart and lung is located. Anahata is the center of love, compassion, and connection. Anahata governs heart, lungs, circulation, and thymus gland. A balanced Anahata chakra allows you to give and receive love freely. If your Anahata chakra is blocked, you may experience loneliness, resentment, or heart-related issues. Now let's move on to your throat chakra, Vishuddha, located in your throat and neck region. Vishuddha governs self-expression, communication, and truth. Vishuddha is linked to thyroid, vocal cords, mouth, and respiratory system. When Vishuddha is open, you can speak your truth with confidence. If your Vishuddha is blocked, you may struggle with expressing yourself, fear of judgment, or throat-related issues. Let's move on to your next chakra, Ajna, which is the third eye chakra, located in your forehead between the eyebrows. Ajna is linked to intuition, wisdom, and clarity. Ajna governs eyes, brain, and pineal gland. When Ajna is balanced, You can trust your instincts and make wise decisions. If your ajna is blocked, you may feel confused, indecisive, or disconnected from your inner voice. Let's move on to your next chakra, the crown chakra, Sahasrara, which is located at the top of your head. Sahasrara represents spiritual connection, higher consciousness, and enlightenment. Sahasrara is connected to your nervous system, your brain function, and spiritual awareness. A balanced Sahasrara brings inner peace, clarity, and a sense of purpose. If your Sahasrara is blocked, you may feel disconnected, uninspired, or lost in life. Now, take a deep breath in, drawing in that fresh oxygen, and slowly exhale, releasing any tension. Again, inhale deeply, feeling pure energy entering your body, and exhale, fully letting go of any heaviness. With each breath, feel your body absorbing fresh oxygen, nourishing your cells, clearing your mind, and energizing your spirit. Now, bring your awareness to the base of your spine, your root chakra. Breathe in deeply, drawing that fresh oxygen to the base of your spine. Imagine a deep red light glowing here, grounding and stabilizing you. Exhale, releasing any fear or instability. Repeat silently or aloud. I'm safe. I am grounded. I am supported. I am safe. I am grounded. I am supported. Now inhale fresh oxygen into your low abdomen, fueling that creativity and vitality. See an orange light expanding in this space. Exhale, letting go of any blocks to your passion and joy. Repeat this. I'm creative. I embrace joy. My energy flows freely. I'm creative. I embrace joy. My energy flows freely. Now take in a full breath, drawing pure oxygen into your core. Imagine a golden light shining in your solar plexus, strengthening your confidence and personal power. Exhale, releasing that self-doubt. Repeat this. I'm strong. I'm confident. I'm empowered. I'm strong. I'm confident. I'm empowered. Now breathe deeply, filling your chest with fresh oxygen and love. Feel a bright green light radiating from your heart, expanding that warmth and compassion. Exhale, releasing any emotional burdens, and repeat this. I am love. I am open to giving and receiving love. My heart is free. I am love. I am open to giving and receiving love. My heart is free. Now inhale pure cleansing oxygen into your throat. Visualize a clear blue light illuminating with space, opening your voice and truth. Exhale, letting go of any fear of expression. Repeat this. I speak with clarity. My voice is powerful. I express my truth freely. I speak with clarity. My voice is powerful. I express my truth freely. Now, breathe in the fresh oxygen to your forehead, awakening your intuition. See a deep indigo light glowing between your brows, enhancing that wisdom and insight. Exhale, clearing any mental fog. Repeat this. I trust my intuition. I see clearly. My mind is open and receptive. I trust my intuition. I see clearly. My mind is open and receptive. Now taking a full deep breath, allowing the fresh oxygen to flow to the top of your head. Imagine a radiant violet light connecting you to the universe and higher consciousness. Exhale, feeling fully aligned and at peace. Repeat this. I'm connected. I'm divine. I'm at one with the universe. I'm connected. I'm divine. I'm at one with the universe. Take a final deep breath in, filling your body with fresh, life-giving oxygen. Exhale slowly, feeling all your chakras balanced and your energy fully renewed. Now gently bring your awareness back to the present moment. Wiggle your fingers and toes. Take one last deep breath. When you're ready, slowly open your eyes. You're cleansed, you're balanced, you're whole. Carry the sense of balance and clarity with you throughout your day. Thank you for joining me in this practice. If you found this helpful, continue to nurture your energy, stay mindful, and return to this meditation whenever you need. Namaste.